Hello, this is Brittany with R&R Windows and Doors, windowpartcenter.com, and today we're going to do a product highlight of our part number C1028, the sliding patio door secondary lock that are used on vinyl patio doors. This specific door sample is on a Cascade sliding patio doors, but it's used on multiple ones. They come in 3 colors. White as shown here, almond, and clay. So those are your 3 color options that you can choose from for your door. It's called a secondary lock because on your handle is the primary locking mechanism, and this is the secondary. Shown here. And he activates the mortise lockbox. Now the C1028 is handed, which we show on our website. And to show you why it's handed is if you look at the back, there is this angle tail here at 45 degrees, and that's what goes into the mortise lockbox. So this one, and then here is the opposite handing. So to determine handing, right now we're looking at the inside of the door because we're seeing both sets of locks. But when handing is determined by the factory, it's always determined by looking at your door from the exterior. So when you're standing on the outside of your home and you're looking at your door, there is the XO option, which is the operating panel, the one on the left that slides to the right, looking at it from the exterior. And then looking at it from the exterior, there is the OX, where you have a fixed panel, then operating panel, and it's the right panel that slides over to the left. So looking at our door display from the outside view, when we open it up, it slides, the left panel opens to the right. So that would be this configuration here, XO operation. Now on to installation. Installation is very simple. It just installs with these 2 mounting screws. So we're just going to remove this one here. And you can remove your lock. Now on this one here, I can show you if you wiggle this enough. Oh, this one came out very simply. And that's how you can change the handing if the handing is wrong, or if it comes to you with this tail not installed, to know which way your angle needs to be. If we could zoom in on our mortise lockbox. Right there, it fits into that slot, so you can see it's at that 45-degree angle, so your tail has to match that. If you needed to replace your mortise lockbox, we also sell those separately. That's part number C1033. They are non-handed. They can work for the XO and OX operation. To replace that, they are just held in by 2 mounting screws. So you just install it. You want the hook facing up and your 45-degree cylinder to line up with the hole here, and you will install it. If your door slides the opposite way, these are non-handed, it would just install this way. There's a cylinder both sides at the 45-degree angle. This Cascade patio door is metal reinforced inside the vinyl wherever something is screwed in. Not all vinyl doors are. So if your door does not have this metal reinforcement, when you order this replacement lock, it comes with 2 reinforcement clips, which you can install for the mounting screw holes, and they act like a washer for the screw to screw into, so they won't pull out your screws just through the vinyl. So the reinforcement clips are only needed if you don't have any metal reinforcement in your door. So now to reinstall the C1028 mortise lock box, he's just going to slide in right there. And then to install, you're going to put this tail right into that cylinder of your mortise lock box. And we are in the unlock position. And then you just screw in your 2 mounting screws. You do not want to over tighten your screws or else it will make it difficult for the lock to engage. So you just want to hand tighten it. Check for operation. And then you do have a keeper that this hook locks into right there. He is part number C1028, and you can see he adjusts by loosening the screws, and they have some adjustment play in the mounting screw holes where you can move it up or down slightly so it can lock into this. All these parts can be ordered on our website. The link to our website, windowpartscenter.com, is in our bio. Thank you.